Well, this is it. This is the eye of the winter storm. It is negative 15 degrees outside and basically in here when this thing isn't on. And get this refilled. Get that refilled. You know, I'd love to have some tea right now, but it's solid as a rock. So, Alex Hanser here, reporting on my own survival. Just got out of the sauna. It is 5:23 in the morning. Woke up so cold up here at about 4:30 and just had to get up. I mean, this stuff doesn't really provide much insulation. It's just for decoration, really. No, it helps somewhat. This window's not completely closed because I have a little cord coming in. Of course, this can be improved, but I'm hoping that the worst of it is behind us. I was going to say the wind yesterday was hitting this way. In February in the San Luis Valley is a very windy time all the way up into April, May, and that's when the shower starts. So if you're thinking about planting something in the San Luis Valley or anywhere else, that's the time for that. Or, of course, much earlier for maybe some other places. Of course, the San Luis Valley gets a lot of sun. That is the benefit of the afternoons in the winter here. You get a lot more sun than you do other places during the winter. So that's a plus that you normally don't hear that often. So we see our average high and low. Again, we're at negative 15. And it looks like it's going to start getting warmer from here on out. And I actually looked at the month average. So it just pretty much goes like this. You know, it's the type of thing for the whole year. This is basically the coldest part of the winter. I don't really know what to say about this one. They're selling some land for $1,750 and they're calling it ugly. Come on down today, the Colorado Realty and Land Company. We'll get you some ugly land in Costilla County. Okay, it's later in the day. Walking by the railroad here. Looks like we have a Amtrak line. This is in Alamosa. And the building here is the Colorado Welcome Center where they have flyers, information for surrounding areas, national parks, other tourist attractions. Really appreciating the sun, getting out of the RV. We're about to go here to this Mexican restaurant in just a bit. There's a nice sculpture. Alamosa, Colorado. One of the coldest places to be in all North America during the winter. I don't know what they're doing with the Dianetics shot, but they've got one. Hubbard Dianetics. It's a raid! False alarm. Alex Answer here, coming to you from a more natural backdrop than anywhere that I've been for the last couple of weeks, which is a nice change of pace. We have a nice bright sun, no air pollution of any kind today, so it's one of those kind of days that I want to get the vitamin D. I've also been making sure that I'm drinking plenty of water, staying off coffee. I'm going to be a lot more busier with amtvmedia.com. Also looking for contributors and people that might want to submit their content, their written content, to the news section of amtvmedia.com. Let me know. Alex_answer@hotmail.com. So, I'm definitely adapting to life in the RV in one of the coldest places in North America to be in RV. And I'm just taking in this moment, this pure sun. It's like, what, 11 o'clock in the afternoon. So, we're going to have a lot more sun here in the next few hours. The temperature's going to rise a little bit. Nice change of pace to be parked somewhere else. Nice change of pace to have no buildings and basically nothing and no one around me for many thousands of feet. Got some houses over here, but, you know, parking lots over that way. It's good to get sun. It's good to sun gaze. It's good to just let the sun hit your forehead and take in those rays, even with your eyes closed. Here we have what appears to be probably something you can walk over. Frozen over mini lake of some kind. Or it's just snow. Yep, that's something. Crossing over to a new country. And I don't have my passport. Better watch out for the black helicopters. I love days like this. Where after a night of pure cold, the sun comes out, there's no air pollution. I like to sit down there as if that was a bench, but I don't think so. I'm just enjoying the fact that the sun is out. Looking at those big mansions over there. Wow. Look how clear those skies are.